What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. We are looking at what is the name of the second label, the second wine of famous chateau, famous wine producer of the left bank of the Bordeaux region in France, of Pauillac to be precise. Fifth gross, cinquième Grand Cru classé, fifth Grand Cru classé of the famous 1855 classification, Château Lynch Bages. The French say Château Lynch Bages. So what is the second label of Château Lynch Bages, one of the most famous producers in the Bordeaux wine region? The name is Château Lynch Bages, or Château Lynch Bages, if you want it to pronounce it the French way. Château Lynch Bages, Château Lynch Bages. Note that this wine was previously called Au Bages Aveyroux, Château Au Bages Aveyroux, and that's before vintage 2008. From 2008 onwards, I think including vintage 2008, you will find this wine under the name Château Lynch Bages, which kind of makes more sense because you can directly relate to Château Lynch Bages from 2008 onwards. But if you do find Au Bages Aveyroux before, you now know that it's actually Château Lynch Bages, the second label of that famous wine producer. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.